My name is Szabina. I'm 20 years old and I'm from Budapest in Hungary, and I'm an avionics student.
My name is Zita. I'm 19 years old. I'm coming from Budapest in Hungary, and I'm studying airplane mechanics.
My name is Anita, and I'm also from Budapest, and I also study avionics. We were very happy when this opportunity came to us because we were very interested also in the country, and also we wanted to study here to have new experiences. I think this school is more modern than ours, and we also have planes in our school, but our planes are much more different, and I think the school has more equipment than ours. Also, the big difference that we see is that here the students are in smaller groups, because at home we have bigger groups in practical lessons, and also students here have much more practical lessons than we have. The attitude of the teachers is different because I think they are more helpful here. We went to the Santa village where we had the opportunity to meet Santa, and also we could pet some reindeers and huskies. In the afternoons we mostly went to hang out in the city center, and we also saw Aurora. It was beautiful, and we really enjoyed the snow here, because in Hungary we don't really have snow there. I would recommend it to anybody to come here who is open for new things, and but also who can stay far from their home.